Hello everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate Omni Time Tracker, a native Salesforce productivity intelligence and user adoption monitoring solution built for service teams. Organizations struggle with visibility into how agents truly spend time inside Salesforce. Let's see how Omni Time Tracker works. Here we are in the agent view with the Omni Tracker utility bar enabled in this application. When the agent is in the list view, time is not tracked. Time tracking begins only when the user opens an individual record. As you can see, the agent is logged in and actively working within Salesforce. When the agent creates or opens a case record, time tracking starts automatically. The system intelligently detects the record in focus and begins capturing time in real time. If the organization has configured additional objects, including custom objects or other standard objects, time tracking works the same way across all of them. Time is also captured based on different user contexts, such as viewing a record or editing a record. Each activity is associated with the respective user session type, ensuring accurate tracking of how the agent interacts with the record. Additionally, the agent can add notes to the captured time entries, providing context and clarity for the recorded activity. The moment the agent starts working on an existing record, time tracking begins automatically based on the predefined configuration. For each record, the system clearly displays the total time captured so far, along with the newly captured time from the current session. It also shows the total number of sessions associated with that record. All of this information is accurately calculated and displayed based on the agent's actual interactions with the record, ensuring complete visibility into effort and engagement. Let's begin with the administrative control layer by navigating to Session Configuration Settings. In this section, we have options such as Auto Start Delay, Manual Session Control, Pause and Resume, Pause on Tab Switch, Unique Session Tracking, Business Hour Shift Rules, and Business Hour Grace Minutes. These settings allow administrators to enable or disable features based on specific business requirements, giving full control over how user sessions are tracked and managed. Enabling Auto Start Delay by customizing the timeout duration. Auto Start Delay automatically begins a new session after a defined timeout once a previous session ends. This ensures continuous tracking without requiring user intervention. This prevents productivity gaps and enforces structured tracking. Enabling Manual Session Control. Manual Session Control allows users to manually start, pause, resume, or end sessions. The tick icon will be updating the session type in same entry, plus icon will be creating the new entry. Enabling Pause and Resume checkbox. Pause and Resume allows sessions to be temporarily paused rather than ended. This is critical for handling short interruptions while preserving accurate handle time metrics. Enabling Pause on Tab Switch. When the user goes to another tab, the time log entry will be paused automatically. When we try to enable unique session tracking when Pause on Tab Switch is enabled, we cannot enable both unique session tracking and Pause on Tab Switch at a time because one of those features can only be active at a time. Enabling unique session tracking. Unique session tracking assigns a unique identifier to every session. This enables precise auditing, multi-session analytics, and forensic-level reporting. Next up, click case number 1041 to open and view its details. When a user opens multiple case records simultaneously, the unique session tracking feature automatically detects the active session and displays a warning message. Another session is currently active. This session has been ended. Click Start Timer when you are ready to begin tracking this record. Following this, toggle Business Hour Shift Rules to enable Business Hour Shift controls. Enabling business hour shift rules ensure time logs align with defined business hours. This allows workforce planning, compliance tracking, and shift-based performance analytics. In addition to business hour shift rules, we also support business hours grace minutes. Grace minutes define a short buffer period before the official shift start time, allowing users to log in slightly early while still being considered within valid business hours. We are also having user session types: user time logs, user time log entries, user work summaries, and user shift. In this, we will handle the error log too. So these are the default session types available for the user context-based activity recording or tracking the time entry. So this is the reviewing details where the user viewing the records. In this, we can choose the session types like general work and reviewing details. General work is the common context session type to select. When the user try to edit the record, automatically the editing a record will be tracked. It'll be tracked by new session entry. In related list, the user can able to create new task or events that action will also be captured based on the user session types. When the user try to update the event for those associated records, automatically the user time log entry will capture the time for editing the tasks. Editing the events. When the user viewing the event, when the user viewing the task automatically, the separate user time log entry will be captured based on the user activity and based on the user session types. In this record, when the user clicks the new case comments, automatically the editing case comment can be tracked in the user time log entries. Now that we've seen how Omni Time Tracker automatically captures user activity, let's look at how this data transforms into actionable intelligence through our dashboards. This dashboard highlights the top supporting representatives and top supported accounts, enabling clear performance ranking and account-level effort visibility. Session type metrics go a level deeper. They break down activity into specific actions, such as reviewing records, editing case comments, managing tasks, or handling follow-ups. The top open cases section supports operational monitoring by identifying records that demand priority focus. SEN categories give us a high-level view of time spent across major channels such as cases, chat, and voice. This helps leadership understand where operational effort is concentrated and whether resource allocation aligns with business demand. Monthly and daily time logs provide trend analysis and operational insight. Operational dashboards show top open cases and detailed time log by case, ensuring transparency into record-level effort. Together, these dashboards transform raw Salesforce activity into measurable productivity intelligence, enabling workforce optimization, performance transparency, and real license ROI visibility. Operationally, Omni Time Tracker provides measurable productivity intelligence. Financially, it optimizes license spend and reduces idle cost. Strategically, it enables workforce forecasting, governance monitoring, and executive visibility. Omni Time Tracker transforms agent activity into structured, measurable productivity intelligence, while giving leadership real visibility into Salesforce adoption and utilization. All natively built inside Salesforce. No third-party tools, no manual reporting. Thank you. Learn more about our features and benefits on our website.